This is video introduce highlight features or overview summary of DEWALT 60V Max Single Stage Snow Blower Kit, DCSNP2142Y2, that's include. The DEWALT 60V Max Single Stage Snow Blower is designed to clear up to 16 parking spaces with 6 inches of snow on a single charge. With two 60V Max 4.0 Ah flex volt batteries and a 7-inch steel auger, this proven battery platform and cordless snow blower are up for the challenge. Know the current battery state of charge with the innovative LED dashboard, while the two-way electric chute control gives directional command with dashboard-mounted paddles and a single touch. Utilize Boost to help provide more power or Eco Mode to help prolong battery life to meet your demands, whatever they are. This snow blower is tougher than winter. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.